Is travel your desire? Is it your passion? But you don't have time, you don't have finances? We have a wonderful online business that can free you up and provide the finances that you need to travel the world.
Hi, this is Colin and Sarah, and we are introducing to you about an online business that has changed our lives. We've been able to travel to go to different places, and it's because of this online business. Some months back, we were going through music on social media, and we came across a successful couple that is running a successful online business, and we were intrigued by their story. We clicked the ad similar to this one that we are telling you about. This couple have been able to travel the world, to support family, to support ministry, and to do so many things according to their heart's desires. And as when we were watching their story, we saw it's exactly the things that we have been interested to do. And even you, we are asking you to click the link below. Sign up with your name and email address, and we are going to send you information about this online business. The online business will enable you to have flexibility of time to be able to do other things that you have been interested to do, to travel to places that you have always desired to travel.
Now, this online business is not going to leave you hanging. It's an online business that provides support. You get coaches, you got mentors that will encourage you, and just a community that comes together to help you out. So if you're willing to do the hard work and you're coachable and you have a desire to travel or even do ministry work, our heart's desire was to travel and do ministry work, click the link below.
Click the link below, enter your name and email address, and we'll be so delighted that you're joining our team. So please don't be left behind. Click the link.
Yes, click the link for a free webinar. It's totally free. God bless you.
God
and
bless
keep you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.